If you are dreaming of working in Germany but don't know where to start, this video might just change your life. Well, Germany just made things a lot easier with the Opportunity Card. This is a brand new visa that lets you live in Germany for up to a year, even without a job offer while you find work. And if you plan smartly, this could be your perfect gateway to settle there permanently. Today, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step, explaining everything you need to know. Eligibility, documents, how to apply, and even how you can check if you are eligible in just one click. Let's get into it. First things first, what exactly is the Opportunity Card? It's Germany's new pathway to attract skilled workers from non-European countries. Instead of waiting to get a job offer while sitting in your home country, Germany now gives you the chance to enter first, live there, work part-time, and find your dream job while already on German soil. Once you get a full-time job, you can easily switch your status to a proper work visa or residence permit. It's flexible, it's smart, and honestly, it's one of the best immigration reforms Germany has introduced. Now, let's talk about who's eligible for the Opportunity Card. Germany follows a point-based system to decide if you qualify. First, there are 3 things you must have. No negotiations here. You need to have either a university degree or at least 2 years of vocational training that's recognized in your country. You must know basic German, at least A1 level, or decent English around B2 level. And you need to show that you can financially support yourself in Germany for up to 1 year, roughly around 1,091 euros per month. So either a blocked account or a job offer for part-time work will do. Now, once you tick these 3 boxes, the real game begins, the points system. To apply, you need a minimum of 6 points. And you earn these points through your qualifications, language skills, work experience, age, and even previous stays in Germany. For example, if your degree is recognized in Germany, you automatically get 4 points. If you have a strong German language skills, say B2 or higher, you can get up to 3 points more. If you have at least 2 years of work experience in your field, you get 2 additional points. If you are under 35 years old, that's another 2 points straight away. There are also small bonus points for things like having lived in Germany earlier or applying together with your spouse. Now, if you're confused about how many points you have, don't worry. Teraturn's Germany Opportunity Card Points Calculator can instantly tell you if you're eligible. It's fast, free, and way easier than decoding the German government's official chart. Okay, now assuming you meet the points and the basic conditions, what documents do you need? It's quite straightforward. You'll need a valid passport, your degree or vocational training certificates, language certificate showing German or English proficiency, proof of financial support, usually a blocked account or part-time work contract, health insurance coverage, an updated CV, and a short motivation letter explaining why you want to move to Germany. Make sure your documents are officially translated into German or English and notarized if necessary. Germany loves neat paperwork, so triple check everything. Now, let's talk about how you actually apply. The application process can happen in 2 ways. You can either apply online through the official consular services portal, or you can submit your application at your local German embassy or consulate. Once you fill in the form, attach your documents, and pay the application fee, which is around 75 euro, you'll need to book an appointment for biometrics, basically fingerprints and photo capture. Processing times can vary depending on your country, but typically you can expect around 4 to 8 weeks for a decision. Now, once you get your Opportunity Card and land in Germany, there are a couple of things you must do immediately. Register your local address at the city registration office within the first 2 weeks. Start actively looking for a job. You are allowed to work part-time for up to 20 hours per week. You can also do trial jobs with different companies, which not only gives you work experience, but also increases your chances of getting a full-time contract faster. But before you rush, here are a few common mistakes you must avoid. Don't underestimate the language requirement. Even though English is accepted, a little German will go a long way. Don't mess up the financial proof. If your blocked account or proof of funds is incomplete, your visa will be rejected. And most importantly, don't delay your paperwork once you get to Germany. Missing deadlines can complicate your stay. Now, if all of this sounds exciting, but you're wondering, how do I even know if I qualify? Don't stress. You can check your eligibility in just one click with Teraturn's Germany Opportunity Card Points Calculator. It's super simple. No complicated forms, no confusion. And if you're eligible, our experts at Teraturn can even help you with document prep, visa filing, and everything you need to kickstart your career in Germany. Check the link in the description below. Try the calculator today and take the first steps toward your German dream. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one. Bye bye.